आपका केस स्टडी क्वेश्चन है, अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट डिसाइडेड टू मेक स्टैटिस्टिक्स प्रोजेक्ट. They are collecting the heights in centimeter of their 51 girls of class 10th A, B and C of their school. They arrange height data as follows. So they have arranged like this. So see how they have arranged: less than 140, less than 145, less than 150, less than 155, up to less than 165. And here they have written number of girls 4, 11, 29, 40, 46, 51. Now, so if you see this, less than 140 is not a class interval. Less than 145 not a class interval. Just we will write in a class interval. How we will write? See this, what they have given, 40 and 45. 45 and 50, that means the duration is 5 centimeter. So here less than 140, that means it should be what? 135 to 140. 135 to 140. And here we will write 140 to 145. Next 145 to 150. 150 to 155. Next 155 to 160. Next 160 to 165. Now we will see what questions they have asked. What is the lower limit of the median class? They have asked the median class of the lower limit. So if you see the frequency, how they have given? 4, 11, 29, 40, 46, 51. That means it's in increasing order. So if you see, if it is in increasing order, that means it's a cumulative frequency, CF. And they have given 51. Total is 51. That is N is 51. So here we will write what? N is 51. So what is your N by 2? N by 2 is 51 by 2. 51 by 2. That is equal to what? 25.5. Now, so here 25.5. 25.5 is N by 2. Where it lies? You can see it will lie between 11 and 29. That means 29. So they have asked you your lower limit. That means lower limit is what? 145. So here we will write 145 is your answer. Next, what is the upper limit of model class? Model class. For model class, what we need? The frequency. That is the highest frequency of that class. So here they have given you cumulative frequency. We will convert it into frequency. So how we will convert? See this. This is 4. We will write here 4. 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 is what? 7. Next, 29 minus 11 is 18. 40 minus 29 is 11. 46 minus 40 is 6. 51 minus 46 is 5. So if you see, the highest frequency is 18. So this is your model class. So if you see the model class, they have asked you the upper limit. That means upper limit is what? 150. So here we will write 150. Next, what is the mean of the lower limit of the median and model class? So you can see both. This is your median as well as model class. Both. So they have asked you what? They have asked you the mean of lower limit of the median and model class. The lower limit is what? 145 only. So what we will do? We will write the median, that is 145 plus model is again 145 divided by 2. You will get what? 290 by 2. That is equal to 145. Next, see that what is the width of the class? Now you can see the width is what? 45. 145 minus 140 is 5. 140 minus 135 is 5. So we can write it as 5 centimeters is the width. Or what is the median? So they will ask you now find out the median. For median, what we need, that we will write median is equal to lower limit plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is the formula. So you can see lower limit is what? 145. So this is equal to 145 plus n by 2. N by 2 we have already found it out, what? 25.5 minus CF. CF is what? Just previous to that class. So that means it will be what? 11. So here we will write 11 by frequency of that class. The frequency is 18 into 5. 5 is your height, or you can say width. So this is equal to, just solve this, 145 plus 25.5 minus 11 is 14.5. By 18 into 5. So if you multiply with 5, what we will get? 14.5 by 18. 5 5s are 25, 20, 22, 2 carry, 5 and 7. So it will be 72.5 by 11 by 18, sorry. Now we will take it out this point. If you take out that point, the 0 will come at the down. So 180. Now just divide it. What it will be? 180 and here is 725. So we can say it will go at around 3 times, I think so. 24 to carry 5, 3 or 4, 32. Okay, just we will try for 4. It will be 0, 32, 3 carry and 7. Yeah, 4 times. Then here it comes 5. Then we will put point. So it will be 50. Now it is less than 180. Therefore we will write here 0. So it will come as 500. So 180 into, we can say 3 times 24 to carry 5. No, 2 times. So this will come as 360. Here it will come as 040 and this will be 140. So 140, that means one more 0, that means it will come at around approximately 8. 8 is a 64, 6 carry, 8 and 14. Yeah. So 2, 7 something it will come. So that means it was 4.03 approximate. So we can write it as like 145 plus 4.03 approximate, that is equal to, we can say, 149.03 centimeters is the median. So like this we have to find it out. How it comes 0.03? Why means it will be 0.027 or 8. It is more than 5. So we will just make it to 3 here.